in the 6th and 7th day hour of the 21st of the 5th month of 1445 are 12:09 to 12:50 p.m. of Thursday, the 4th of January, 2024. I became hypersensitive as I buzzed more and more. The awareness of my physical place slipped. I saw pink points going up and purple points going down, but they didn't overlap. It was like stalactites and stalagmites on opposite sides of the valley. Within was a valley overwhelmed by a 25 units wide by 27 units long by 27 units high cube of the Great Tablet. Beings like compiled needles of 25 types of evergreen trees and shrubs appeared, with the combinations of 3 or more per layer squares. Each was different, and the rows are like that below, but the last is first, and all the others are moved over one. I will simplify the account to say it in 2D, and that we read right to left. Going left, V shapes made by a vertical line and a diagonal like left and up to the same height was to be referred to the future. The 5 or more square ones going right are to be referenced to the past. And of course, this would be reversed if we're going the transliteration. So it would be to the left, as the other would have been to the right. The 3 or more odd-numbered ones were about or upon reference to the present. All sorts of colors, smells, and sounds were there. Everything pulsed and moved in a way that I could feel its minuteness around me. With yellow light, I went to a city of gold, and of that made with blue stones and white formed or molding or whatever you want to call it in between material. Water overcame the city. Fire overcame the city. Far beyond the city was with a green that spread. I returned towards my regular perception of the meditative space and the stone upon my menabrium. You know, it's a bone on your chest. The sense there of everything moving, you know, the red is the comment, me, was objective but can be subjective reference to loving that upon the same and with the same consciousness. In a sense, multiple punishments will come to secular society. I feel I slept hours. The green led to a restoration. Beyond past and future is the spread of a different order than mere tradition, valueless wealth, and bland artificiality. And when I was there, there was this feeling like everything loved me. Yawn, 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 yawn. What was your experience of my experience? What was your interpretation of my experience? What was your own interpretation of your own experience? What was that experience in itself?